Hey, all you crafty people. I hope everybody's having a great day. I am making a call to all craft people to join us for a Christmas in July project. This will be our second time doing this. We did one last year. We had over 30 people, and everybody was very thrilled with their results. I believe everybody. And I made some new friends. So networking is always a big ticket item for us YouTube owners. Networking's huge. So, having said that, this is going to be a month-long collaboration, and we have a hashtag. It's hashtag Christmas in July 2022 project. There's very few rules, but it's pretty straightforward, and it's not going to be a huge amount of work. So let me just get right to the main points. Terry S. Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and then myself, Lisa Fisher from Lisa's Paper, Lace, and Bling. We are the ones putting this on. Terry's actually doing the majority of the work. God bless her. She's taking everybody that, when you're signing up and things like that. I am taking content information. If you have questions about something, or what you want to do, if you want some guidance or help or whatever, that's I will help take care of that. I wanted to try and take something off Terry's plate. So, but you got any questions, you can get hold of either one of us, and if it's something she needs to know, we'll just pull her into the conversation. So it'll all be good. Okay. First off, you can use any Christmas kit, any Christmas papers, any Christmas stuff that you want to use, you can use. We have two designers that once you sign up, if you are so interested, they have two digital kits, or each one of them has a digital kit that they are willing to give to you for free, so you can use it. They just, of course, ask that you give them the credit for the kit. That's it. So you do have that option. I have not seen the kits, but, free is wonderful. Okay, and then you must do one video a week. That's it. Now, it does not count on your intro video, and it does not count for a walkthrough at the end. They must be like show and tell videos with with good content telling them how to do whatever it is that you did, or tutorials. It does not have to be a month-long project. It can be 4 individual things. It can be whatever you want it to be, as long as there is one content enriched video once a week. Okay? And then the regular stuff, everybody's going to subscribe to everybody, and we're going to have a list of everybody, and you got to post under the hashtag, and you can post under my Facebook group and Terry's Facebook group. That's pretty much it. It's really going to be fairly easy, and we had over 30 people last year, and it was really good. I think everybody benefited from the networking and the collaboration. So hopefully we will have more this year. That will be even more fun. All right, guys. I look forward to working with whoever one of you guys wanted to get your hands in this and play. It's not going to be hard. It's not going to be a big time suck for you. Let's do this thing and kick off July for everyone, giving them great ideas for Christmas. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.